animals.
Mama.
Oh, here.
Mama. 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 Pop. Beep. Pa.
Hey, what is this animal?
Rabbit.
Yes. And what is this animal, Chloe? Right here, what is this? Chloe, what is this animal here in my hand? What is this? What is it? That's right. And what's this? Oops, what's this one? Hey, what is this? What is it? What is it?
Beaver.
That's right. And how about this one? What's this?
A mammal.
That's right. Hey Chloe, do you know what this one is?
Peacock.
That's right. Peacock. And how about this one? That's right. Here's one more. Oops. It's hard to put it in the box, isn't it? What's this? Good. What's this one here?
Owl.
What is it?
Owl.
Oh.
Owl.
Oh.
Owl.
What's this one?
Egret. Egret.
That's right. Oh, what about this one?
Mama.
Monkey? What does the monkey sound like? What does the monkey? What's the monkey say? That's right. All right. Can you say bye-bye, Dad?
I did. I did. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. How about bye-bye, Daddy?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.